How to pause your account on Bumble. Need a little break from swiping but don't want to delete your Bumble account? Let's pause it instead. Open your Bumble app, tap on profile and tap gear icon. Scroll until you find the option called snooze mode. This is Bumble's way of pausing your account. Tap snooze mode and you will get a few options. Pause for 24 hours, 72 hours, or a week, or until I change it. You can also choose whether you want to let your current match know you are taking a break, and that's it. Your Bumble account is now paused, giving you the break you need without losing your profile. Thanks for watching. If this guide helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out more quick tutorials. Catch you in the next one.